I got this very curious box today, and I'm having a hard time opening it. It came with all this unnecessary plastic on it, and so I'm gonna try to finish opening this and see what happens. Oh my goodness. How do you open it? If I had a knife, that would be better. I don't know what happened to my knife. I'm getting somewhere. Oh, look at that open. What could it be? It says brass indicator on the outside. Oh, look at this. Okay. Wow, this is cute. I don't know how you open it. Oh, there's a buckle. That really works. Can't open it. Okay, I got it now. Oh, it's got this inside, which is also wrapped. Wow. Junior Ranger Wanda Becky Jean. Aw. How absolutely sweet. Oh, I think I know what it is. Is it... Oh my gosh. Is it a compass? Unlock, lock. Wow, it's a compass. And it says inside, may you always find the direction to a cool summer camp and a warm winter home. OG Bob, happy birthday 2023. Isn't that sweet? Thank you, Bob. That is so sweet and thoughtful. Thank you.